Picture this. You start your home renovation, everything's going great, and then BAM! Your contractor finds a major structural issue. Now what? Do you panic? Do you abandon the project?
Don't worry, we've got you covered. Today, we're breaking down 5 steps for what to do if you discover structural issues mid-renovation, what it could cost, and how to keep your project on track.
Let's dive right in. Step 1, identify the structural issue.
First things first, you need to understand what's wrong. Structural issues can include things like foundation cracks or settling,
Rotted or damaged support beams,
load-bearing walls that need extra reinforcement,
sagging floors or ceilings,
and improper framing or past DIY mistakes.
If your contractor uncovers one of these issues, do not ignore it. Fixing structural issues early prevents bigger, more expensive problems down the road.
Step 2, get a structural engineer's assessment.
Call in a structural engineer, even if your contractor has experience. An engineer will evaluate the damage and recommend the safest solution.
You can expect to pay anywhere from $500 to $2,000 for a full structural assessment, depending on the size and complexity of your home.
This might seem like an extra step, but it is worth it for peace of mind and making sure you keep your home safe. Step 3, understand the cost of the repairs.
Now, let's talk some numbers. Fixing structural repairs isn't cheap, but here's what you can expect to pay based on the problem.
First, there's major foundation repairs, which could be anywhere from $10,000 to $50,000 or more.
Next, we have replacing a load-bearing wall. This can cost anywhere from $5,000 to $20,000 or more, depending on the situation.
And next, we have reinforcing floor joists, which could be anywhere from $30 to $60 per square foot that's affected.
Next, we've got repairing rotted beams. This can run you anywhere from $3,000 to $15,000.
And lastly, we have fixing a sagging ceiling, which could be anywhere from $10,000 all the way up to $25,000. Keep in mind that these are average costs. Now, if you're doing a full home renovation, these costs get added to your existing budget. So it's important to have a contingency fund.
Step 4, adjust your budget and timeline. If you run into structural issues, you will need to adjust your budget and your timeline. Here's how you can stay on track.
First, pause and prioritize. This is where you can shift funds from cosmetic upgrades to structural repairs.
Next, increase your contingency fund. Always plan for an extra 10 to 20% in your renovation budget.
Next, check for alternative materials. This is where you can ask your contractor if there's a cost-effective solution.
And lastly, expect delays. Structural repairs will typically add anywhere from 2 to 6 weeks to your construction timeline.
These adjustments may not be fun, but they protect your home's value and safety. Step 5, work with a contractor you trust.
This is why it's critical to hire an experienced contractor before you start your project.
A good contractor will first identify potential issues early.
They'll also work with engineers to find the best solutions.
They'll also help keep your budget in check.
And lastly, they'll ensure that the repairs meet all local building codes.
On Long Island, older homes often have hidden structural surprises. But with the right team, you can handle these surprises and still get the dream home that you're after.
Structural issues mid-renovation can be stressful, but they don't have to derail your project. If you act fast, adjust your budget, and work with the right professionals, you'll keep your renovation on track.
If you're planning a renovation here in Nassau County on Long Island and want a contractor who knows how to deal with these surprises, Reach out to us. We'd love to help. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for notifications so you don't miss any more renovation tips. Drop a comment below. Have you ever uncovered a hidden problem during a renovation? Let's talk about it. See you next time.